Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone. Most of South Africa remained clear once again today, but in the southwest we still had some cloud cover moving in over the peninsula and some of the surrounding areas. That's mostly due to an approaching cold front that's still fairly far away, but the westerly wind flow that remains in place ahead of that system has kept that moisture and cold air in circulation along parts of the coastline, keeping the cloud cover in place as well. Our synoptic analysis also shows that there could be a bit of light rain in the area for tonight, indicated by the shade of green. So still a bit of rain in the forecast for Cape Town and the surrounding areas, while the rest of the country will remain mostly clear for tonight, and it's going to be another cold night all across the Highveld. Tomorrow brings more clear sky conditions to just about all of South Africa, but light rain is still possible for that southwestern coastline, mostly during the morning. As that cold front just clips the south coast, we could have some light rain spreading towards the Garden Route and even Port Elizabeth from late morning into the early afternoon over those areas. There is an alert for tonight. It's still a warning which remains in place for some areas along the eastern Cape coastline. That's for high seas. We have some big waves over the area, and we're going to continue seeing those waves in place as we head into tomorrow as well. The rainfall probability map shows the light rain that's still expected for some areas down in the southwest, including Cape Town, as I've already mentioned, the adjacent mountains slightly further inland, as well as towards the coastline south of that area as well. The Windstream analysis shows very light winds in the north of the country, while along the south coast with the approaching cold front, winds pick up quite a bit, and we're going to have moderate to fresh southwesterly winds along parts of the eastern Cape coastline tomorrow, and we are expecting those winds to be quite strong at times. So a breezy day lies ahead for Thursday around Port Elizabeth and East London. Quick check of Durban, and we're going to see a minimum temperature of 12 degrees, not too bad overnight with clear skies and light winds, but a bit of a change happening tomorrow as a southwesterly wind picks up. That's going to bring in some cloud cover along with it, but for the meantime we don't expect any rainfall, and a maximum temperature tomorrow of 22 degrees. Overnight lows for the rest of South Africa, not quite as dramatic as it was earlier this week, but the Free State will still see sub-zero temperatures overnight and double digits for some areas along the coastline as well as into the Lowveld. Maximums into tomorrow, and we see things warming up by a couple of degrees. The north of the country, Bombela reaching a high of 29 degrees Celsius, but a drop in temperature towards the south, many areas remaining below 20 degrees, indicated by those shades of green. Friday brings dry weather to South Africa, slightly cooler in the far east, including Bombela with some cloud cover. 21 degrees is your maximum temperature, but that changes on Saturday as things warm up once again in the north. Pretoria gets to 25, while another front spreads some rain along the coast.